Today we're going to unravel the mysteries of this long misunderstood and often ignored thistle. And you might find that sometimes the most delicious discoveries are found in the strangest of places. Today's recipe, the mouth-watering easy grilled artichoke. For this one, you're going to need a really sharp knife. Watch carefully as we properly dress this bad boy. First, carefully cut off the stem as close to the base of the choke as possible. Then, we'll give the top a trim. Be sure to watch your fingers on this one. Now it's starting to take shape. And finally, lay it flat on the cutting board, stem side up, and we're going to slice it down the middle. Beautiful. If you don't have a steamer, this is your reason to pick one up. We're going to lay those chokes in stem side down, cover it with the lid, and turn the heat on to medium, and let them cook for 35 minutes. At this point, we're going to check for tenderness. You don't want too much resistance when removing a leaf, and the texture when taking a bite should be firm but not quite done. Perfect. Lay those beauties out on the surface of your choosing to cool so that we can remove the unpleasant pricklies. Here's a fun fact. The hairs inside the artichoke are called the beard, so I guess this would be the veggie version of a Brazilian. There we are. Beautifully prepped. Now we can head in to create the perfect marinade. And here's what we'll need. For a full list of ingredients and their amounts, please check the description. Let's start with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, about a tablespoon of lemon juice. And this was a juicy one. 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. 1 1/4 teaspoons salt, 1 1/4 teaspoons cracked pepper, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and finally 2 to 3 tablespoons grated Parmesan. Oh yeah, give that a good mix and we are just about ready to make some magic. Now, you spoon that sauce over those chokes like you were basting a Thanksgiving turkey. Take your time and be sure to get into all those little creases. Drip that marinade right in there, all the nooks and crannies. I cannot stress how important it is to give this choke all the attention it needs before it ends up on the grill. In cooking, these are the moments that define us, taking that extra minute to show that you care. Love is not lost on anyone, not even an artichoke. We're going to heat our barbecue to 400 and then lay them on the grill open face up for 3 to 5 minutes. Keep an eye on them, we don't want them to burn. Give them a quick turn and another 3 to 5 minutes. Those babies look and smell amazing. You can find the directions for this incredible artichoke aoli in the description. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Can we just take a moment now to recognize that, at first glance, some things aren't quite what they seem. The artichoke, unappetizing in appearance and nothing short of a mystery to many who've never had the opportunity to taste its rich flesh. When properly prepared, this plant is nothing short of exquisite, and it's more proof that it's what's on the inside that counts. Thanks for watching.